System check all Paws. Look at it right here. It was dropped yesterday. Paws day is getting close. Head to the Paws web and make sure you are all set. This is very important. In this video, let's discuss the Paws eligibility, Paws listing price, Paws listing date, and all you need to do to get this airdrop and proper wallet connection. All of this in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. This very information is on the Paws Telegram community, and if you read it very well, you have to check your eligibility. So let's do that very quick. If you go back to your mini app, you see this check eligibility button is now active. So first thing first, you click on it and it will take you to the web, which is very, very important. So click on visit web, then I will choose Chrome. Then it will take me to the web right here. And once this open, for you to check your eligibility, go right here, click on it. And then once you click on it, click on claim. Okay, so click on claim right at this point. It will take you to this very page. If you check mine, I have this one tick, I have this one, okay, but this claim Paws, I leave this because I still have few tasks to do so that my Paws allocation will be significant, and I want to tell you why. From this very point, if you go down, if you look at this very mandatory, this one is mandatory, you must have to do it. The first one is verify on web. If you have not verified on web, ensure you do that right now. Completed request, which I have done, okay, and save from cringe, which I have done as well. And these check activities, this one is still refreshing. I'm still waiting for it to go. So I have 3/4 completed right now. This very one will go through very, very soon. I believe is from the Paws team themselves. Then if you check this recommended, you see 3/3 completed. I have completed 3/3. If you look at this very point, this one is ticked, this one is not, okay, but this one you can go to the page. So if I click on this very turn explore and I click on this drop down, it will take me to this very page where they are asking me to contribute to the Paws pool, and I want to do this, okay. And if you don't have the capacity, don't do it. Personally, I don't encourage people to put money in airdrop, but if you can do that to increase your chance of getting more token, why not? And do your own research before you do that as well. So what I want to do is I will add few ton, maybe like 2-3 ton, and that will be in my next video, okay. I will add 2, 3, or 4, 5 ton as the case may be, so that I can increase this my W Paws right here, so that I can also help contribute to the liquidity pool for this very listing that is coming very, very soon. Right now you can see that I have 402 W Paws right at this very point, but I want to increase it before I will click on this very next button. The next one is this voting badge. If you click on this, it discover I purchase this very one, which is the supporter. And what I want to do before I click on that very next button is to purchase this very one. I will not go for this because I don't have that capacity and I don't want to risk this much for this very airdrop. So I will go for this and then increase my W Paws. This is what I want to do before I will now click on this very next button, okay. That will make this very, very okay for me, and then I will click on this, and then this activity possibly will be checked and I am good to go on the Paws airdrop. So eligibility, all you need to do is this one is recommended, it's not mandatory, and this very one is what is mandatory. So if you don't want to put any money in this very airdrop, again, maybe you've put in the past, please ensure that all of this is ticked and your activity is fully checked. Once you've done that, then I think you are okay for this very airdrop, because this is the ones that is mandatory. Why this very one is just a recommendation. Personally, I don't support people putting money in airdrop, especially when you don't have the capacity to do so. So if you have the capability to rig some amount of ton so that you can get more allocation, then you can do this and this as well by increasing your Pawsed balance. And this is what I will be doing in my immediate next video. The next thing is the Paws price prediction and listing date. If you look at this critically, it is discovered that Paws looks exactly like dogs, okay, these very dogs right here. And personally, what I'm expecting is for it to behave like the dogs token. It can perform more than dogs, or it can underperform comparing it to dogs, but what I'm expecting is for it to behave like the dogs token. So if it should behave like the dogs token, which means it will do well and the airdrop will be significant. If you look at the market cap right here, we have $216.6 million. And if you look at this very area, max supply 550 billion, equal total supply, and the circulating supply is 516.75 billion. What will be the total supply of this very token? What will be the max supply of this very token? Because that will also determine the price and the kind of liquidity that this team, the Paws team, can put into this very airdrop, especially for initial listing. So I am possibly looking at two different scenarios, since I don't have any information of the total supply and the max supply. And if you do have that kind of information, comment below in the comment section of this video. I would love to check that out. And the Ton blockchain is definitely the blockchain that this very Paws token will be listed on. What do you think this very token is going to be priced at, especially at listing and 24 hours of listing? This is very, very important. So to get that, we must know the max supply and total supply of this very token. And I am assuming that the Paws airdrop is similar and will be the same, almost like the dogs airdrop. And if we go with that, I have two scenarios which I want to talk about. A 500 billion token in max and total supply. So if we have that as circulating supply, for example, then I'll be looking at a 0.0001. Okay, this will be my price prediction within 24 hours of listing, and this should be the price we should expect this token to be listed at, 0.301. This is my personal opinion. If we see 500 billion as max total and circulating supply, another thing we can expect within 24 hours of listing, 0.302, which will give $100 million market capitalization. And this is what you need to pay attention to. So these two price is what I am personally expecting, between 0.301 and 0.302. Scenario 2, if we have 100 billion, then I'll be looking at 0.305 as the initial listing price, okay, within 24 hours of listing. And that will give a $50 million market capitalization, and market can move a little bit to the upside within 24 to 48 hours of listing to 0.308, which is very, very possible given a $80 million market capitalization. Things can move upward after 24 hours, 48 hours, and 72 hours of listing. But in my two scenarios, if we have a 500 billion circulating supply, look at 0.301 and 0.302. But if we have a 100 billion circulating supply, look at 0.305 and 0.308. This is what I am expecting on the price of this very token. And this is my personal opinion. When is this token going to land on major exchange? If you look at this very area, on this very community, that is on the Paws community, it is covered that they are now talking about listing coming very, very soon. If you look at it, there will be a few more chance to complete quest and secure your spot. This means they may release few more quests, okay, to give those that have not done any quest the chance to do it so that they can get their Paws point as well. So I am looking at latest March 2025. That is the first quarter of this very year for this very token to land on a major exchange. This is what I'm personally expecting based on what we have seen right now. And remember, this is the first time the Paws team is talking about the Paws days getting close, and you should get set. Not only that, all paused. All paused mean that everything is set, everything is paused, everything is in the right trajectory, and we should prepare. This is a signal, okay, that the listing is going to come very, very soon. That is why I'm personally expecting the first quarter of this very year, latest March 2025, and I may be wrong, but this is my personal opinion. One important thing that we must do if you are eligible for this very airdrop is to check your wallet connection on the Telegram mini app. Ensure that you've connected your Ton wallet, and ensure that the last value here on this address is the same with what is on the web. The same thing with the Soul wallet. Connect your Soul wallet and ensure that the last letter here is the same with what is on the web. If you check mine right at this point and then I go back to my Paws web, you discover that they are the same. If you take note of that very number. So if I come right here to the Paws page and I go to dashboard, under dashboard here, and I click on this drop down. Once I click on this drop down, you see my wallet that is connected. The first one is the Ton wallet, which is exactly as what I have on the Telegram mini app, and the second one is my Soul wallet, which is also exactly as what I have on my Telegram mini app. This is what you need to do. Ensure that these wallets are aligned. It should be the same, okay? And ensure the connection is properly done, which I discussed in my last video. You can check that video out on how to properly do that very connection so that you don't miss on this allocation. So what is your price prediction for this very airdrop? Comment below. Do you like the Paws airdrop? And are you believing that the team is going to do something very, very good for the community? Comment below right now. I want to see your thought and what you're thinking about this very airdrop. If you gain value from this video, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Check the link in the description and the pinned comment and join our Telegram channel. It's a free group for more crypto news updates, day trading and investing strategy, and more airdrop information. If you want to watch my video on airdrop, check this video right here on the Bloom airdrop. And also, if you want to watch my video on the best narrative for this very bull market investing, check this video out. It's going to help you. Thanks for supporting this channel.